Hey guys, long time no video. Let's see, I've just been busy hiking, camping, working, that kind of thing. So, I have plenty of other videos to make in the future. Yeah, I've got plenty of material. I've even got plenty of raw stock footage I could use if I want to. It's just, I pick my times. I'm too busy outdoors in nature to deal with YouTube most of the time, but I still will post. Given enough time, I'll post a lot of videos. But right now, it's just, I'm having too much fun. But anyway, today I'm going to be demonstrating the notchless hand drill ember using Sumac, in particular smooth Sumac. And let's see, I collected some of the berry tops. I'm sure you guys are used to seeing these and seeing them out in the field. I'll actually make myself some Sumac tea out of it. I think a lot of people call it what do they call it? Sumac aid, like it's lemonade, because I guess it does have sort of a lemon or sort of a a tart flavor to it, kind of like lemons. But me, I just call it Sumac tea. The spindles sometimes can be difficult to not find necessarily, but to choose because they'll be somewhat crooked. But that's okay. This is long and straight enough for me, and I'll use this one. I'll have to clean it up a little bit. It looks like it's green, but it really isn't, guys. This is pretty dry, But you know what? I don't have a whole lot more to say. I'm not going to bore you to death with anything about this plant. I'm just going to